announce table, and now back in the ring, as is Cena in the game.
Triple threat match for the WWE title. First man to gain pinfall or submission wins the championship.
You gotta avoid mistakes at all costs. Look at Orton.
Slithering out of the ring in the early going. Now will Cena and Triple H take the bait here, King? Is Orton trying to bait them?
Well, of course.
Into taking each other out.
Of course, that's what Orton's got in mind. And it's not going to work.
No, not at all. And now Orton is cornered. And this is not a good situation for the champion, to say the least.
Randy Orton right in front of our announce table, and now back in the ring, as is Cena